Hello and welcome back. In this video I'm going to verification on Google My Business account. So here you can see get a verified. Okay, so for verification we must needs some data that will be address. Okay, I just open this data. Okay, so I just click get a verified. Then first of all they said my state address. Okay, so I will use my state address, copy this one and paste here, and finally this one is our location. Then I'm going to next option, then get a code. Okay, I'm going to next option. Okay, give me a text. Okay, and verification code already sent, please wait a moment. So now I have received code 479380. now going to verify now. Okay, and I'm now verified, and I'm going to the next option. And what happened, add your services. I will later, now skip there, and I will add also in the next time, and skip also, and I also skip this one and skip this one also, and trying to skip. Okay, and continue. And now I'm going to, now my business is verified, but it is still not updated. So no worry, just this is the verified. Google processing your verification, it may take 5 days. Okay, we need to wait, but now we can work another option. No worry, inshallah. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully this video helpful for you for verification. This is the initial stage of verification. After completing this verification, Google will verify your Google verify by using video. So thank you so much for watching this video.